Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately, kasi hindi ko naman talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Pero okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Ayan. Kung gusto mong magpa-personal reading, ito yung details para doon. Madam P, lagyan mo na lang ng space sa dulo, and then Unipre, yan yung TikTok shop namin, virgophilippines@gmail.com. At kung hindi ka pa aware, meron tayong special channel for Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Okay? So, wait lang, inaayos ko lang yung card na gagamitin ko sa'yo. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comment, share ha. So, sana mag-iwan ka dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart lang, smileys. Start na natin. What do we have here for the sign of water sign? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay. You do have here the Six of Cups. And wait lang, inayos natin yung brightness para mas maliwanag. Ayan. Six of Cups, the Devil, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn energy. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. Some of you pwedeng currently pwedeng may mga plano ka, may mga gusto kang mangyari. And with the Devil, I feel like there's like someone na involved dito, like maybe a boss or maybe a partner, na siya yung nasusunod regarding this matter. Some of you with the Three of Wands, pwedeng nandun yung gusto mong mag-move out, umalis, mag-let go, or lumipat, no? Pwedeng yung iba may kinalaman sa career, but parang kailangan mo or gusto mo munang pag-usapan or sabihin ito doon sa person na like, sabi ko nga, pwedeng siya yung nasusunod sa'yo or kasama siya sa mga plano mo na ito. Sino yung person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of water sign? Knight of Pentacles, the Chariot. Nakakita tayo ng offers mula dito sa person na to. Maybe an offer na this is Cancer energy. King of Wands at the bottom of the deck, maybe an offer of a job, career, or something na nakikitaan mo ng potential na parang mas okay ito kumpara sa kung ano yung kasalukuyang sitwasyon mo. Okay? I feel like itong person to is really excited to work with you. So, yung iba, hindi to love related or hindi to love reading. Pero yung iba naman, pwedeng love reading, pero yung person to may involvement ng pera. Ganun. Ano yung emotion nila nyo sa isa't isa? You do have here the Magician, the Ace of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Five of Cups. Okay, so nakikita natin ngayon, I feel like medyo yung emotions mo for this person is pwedeng hidden. Kasi with the Ace of Wands, pwedeng ayaw, nandun yung meron na eh. Pero yung pag-take ng action sa ngayon is parang hindi kasi sigurado kung ano yung kakalabasan. So parang, pwedeng, okay, gusto mo yung person, pero parang, wait lang, hindi ko muna pwedeng sabihin or hindi ko pwede munang ipakita or what kasi baka mamaya mag-expect ako tas malungkot lang ako dahil pwedeng hindi maganda yung kakalabasan. So medyo nag-overtake ka sa part na ito. The person that you're dealing with, I feel like very busy, no? Sa ngayon, medyo happy siya. Pagdating sa mga, maybe may finances or problem siyang pinagdadaanan ngayon financially and pwedeng ito yung nagiging dahilan niya para overthink a lot ngayon. So, very stressed. And, yeah. Pero parang, at least gagawin ko yung best ko. Parang ganun. The sun is here. The sun is brightly shining. So, yung person na ito, although may mga negative na nangyayari sa buhay niya, pwedeng iniisipan niya pa rin ng positive na effect itong situation niya ngayon. Like, alam mo yun, pwedeng, sige, itutuloy ko lang kung ano yung tingin kong tama or maganda para sa akin kahit pa nakaka-stress talaga itong sitwasyon ko. Okay, so, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Sa ngayon, ikaw nakakapagpasaya sa kanya. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? The Fool, the Three of Wands, Five of Pentacles. What's with the Five of Pentacles? Two of Wands. You do have here the Seven of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. I can see that in the near future, nakikita ko na may pagte-take ng risk sa'yo. Like, this is a new journey. Maybe you're really not satisfied kung nasaan ka talaga. And nandun yung pagte-take mo ng risk na gawin ko na nga lang to. Kasi hindi naman ako na-happy dito sa kung anong ginagawa ko eh. Parang ganun. And nandun yung pagpaplano na I have to do something para makaalis ako or makalayo ako sa sitwasyon na hindi talaga para sa akin. And then the person that you're dealing with the Seven of Cups, andun yung pag-worry niya actually. May mga plano and I can see with the Six of Pentacles. The problem with this person is masyado siya kasing magastos. Kaya nakakita tayo ng mga stressful moments sa kanya. You know, and that's one of the problem here. Masyado siya magastos ngayon. Nai-stress siya. In the future, there's a lot of stress kasi ang daming bills, ang daming bayarin. But all in all, nakikita naman natin na magiging okay yung partnership. It's just that wag lang kayo parehong mag-overthink dito. And yeah. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.